Hi, I'm Mama Giuliana. My tips today is a very fantastic tips. It's how to put inside some liquid, special, in this case it's Marsala, inside the piece of pork, but you can use any kind of meat you want for make a good roast. You know this one? I'm not a very good nursery, but I hope, okay. So you have wine here inside, or you can put what you like, red wine, white wine. Yeah, I have Marsala because it's very sweet. You can put soy sauce or some milk, what you like. So you take the meat and start to put inside like this. So the wine, it's go inside everywhere and change completely the taste. Then you can also add outside. When they told me these tips many years ago, I can't believe really, but believe me, now it's fantastic. You don't need to put a lot of, just some. Just I can feel the smell of this Marsala, it's fantastic. Okay, now it's full of Marsala inside. At this point you add some oil and massage the meat with oil, some salt and pepper. If you like, you can put garlic. You massage the meat. You don't need to, I put already oil. You put inside like this. You can use to put in the oven, and you can add any kind of herbs you want on the top. You can put parsley, you can put rosemary. This is thyme. And the meat, it's ready to be cooked.